उड़ीसा की पुरी लोकसभा से चौथी बार चुनाव लड़ रहे बीजेपी के उम्मीदवार पिनाकी मिश्रा ने दावा किया है कि बीजेडी नवीन पटनायक के नेतृत्व में इस बार भी लोकसभा की सभी 21 सीट जीतेगी और विधानसभा में 121 का आंकड़ा पार करेगी। उन्होंने कहा कि बीजेडी के सामने कोई चुनौती नहीं है। पलायन के मुद्दे पर उन्होंने कहा कि ये एक मुद्दा सिर्फ ओडिशा में ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे देश में एक बड़ी समस्या बन गया है।
There is no challenge for the BJD. BJD runs supreme in Orissa. Naveen Patnaik is supremely confident. He's supremely, in a sense, omnipresent. As far as the people are concerned, he's in their hearts. He's worked tirelessly for the last 5 years. So there is no question of any challenge to us. We will definitely increase that vote margin. See, the issues are Naveen Patnaik has said we want 21 out of 21 BJD MPs in parliament, so that what is Orissa's right must be given to Orissa. It's a matter of right. Nobody is giving us any grace. Nobody is giving us any arms. So we want what is our right. We are going to fight for it. Therefore, the people of Orissa have decided they're going to elect Naveen Babu for a 5th term as Chief Minister, and they're going to send 21 out of 21 Lok Sabha MPs to Parliament so that they can help Naveen Babu fight for Orissa's sake. Look, employment is a nationwide problem. As far as migration is concerned, migration in India happens in every state. In Orissa, there are a number of people who migrated from Telangana and Andhra and who work in Orissa. There is no problem at all as far as migration is concerned. Wherever people, that's the whole point of India, is that India is one. You can go from one state and go into another state and work there. And that's the whole purpose of India being an integrated country. What's the big problem about migration?